Okay. Welcome back to Sharodes. Good morning, everyone.
We're matching.
Yes, we're matching. And Rhoda is working while she's on vacation. Today we're headed to Hoover Dam and Seven Magic Mountains. It's going to be Rhoda's first time at...
Hoover Dam and Seven Magic Mountains.
Me, it's going to be my first time at Seven Magic Mountains. Now, before we go to Seven Magic Mountains and Hoover Dam, I'm going to stop by Starbucks and get us some breakfast. Okay, it's breakfast time.
Starbucks tea.
Okay, we're here again at Circus, and we're waiting for our tour. And I don't know what Rhoda is doing, really. She's hiding from the tour guide, I think. When technically she shouldn't be hiding.
Good morning! Seven Magic Mountains.
Yeah, we're now here. And we're going to get some closer videos, okay? We're going to get closer.
Guys, gonna make some of those in my garden.
So, Las Vegas is actually surrounded by 7 magic mountains. So this is...
named after the 7 magic mountains around Las Vegas.
Where's Rhoda? There she is. Okay, Rhoda. It's cold and windy, really. She's flying away. Okay. We are surrounded by these beautiful, colorful rocks, and we're just as colorful as they are. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and head on to our next stop. So everyone, I am now here at Lake Mead. Now Lake Mead looked totally different from the last time that I was here. There was more water in Lake Mead. Now just to let you guys know, Lake Mead is the lake that supplies water to 4 different states: Utah, Las Vegas, Arizona, and Southern California. It's kind of sad that we're running low on the water, basically. But it is such a spectacular view here at Boulder City. She's coming closer and closer and closer. Let me give you some fun facts about the Hoover Dam. The Hoover Dam took 4 years to build. It took 21,000 people to build it. It is 60 stories tall. It was the tallest dam in 1935. And now, here's Rhoda.
It's so windy here. I'm just gonna stay right here, going. This is my first time here, to be right here in front of the Hoover Dam.
Here are some more fun facts. The Hoover Dam helps generate electricity and stops the Colorado River from flooding the states. The dam was built with a curve so that water pressure couldn't break it. 1 million people each year comes and visits the Hoover Dam. And now, here's Rhoda eating ice cream in front of the Hoover Dam. Please hit like and subscribe.